We stood on ground that wouldn't stay, learning love the fragile way. Some nights hope felt close but thin, some prayers fell and echoed in. Time kept moving without sound, while answers slowly wore us down. I carried words I couldn't say, and stayed when love asked me to wait. They said some hearts are meant to break when silence lasts too long, but something deeper held my faith. When everything felt wrong, when I chose to stay, as the light grew small, when staying felt harder than losing it all, I held on through the doubt I knew, believed in love when truth felt loose. That was the moment when I chose to stay. There were seasons filled with doubt, where faith wore thin but didn't bow. Every step unsure and slow, every tear I couldn't show. I learned how patience feels like pain, when nothing promised it would change. Yet something gentle pulled me through, a quiet strength I always knew. When distance taught my heart to wait, and grace arrived unseen, I chose to trust what I couldn't prove, and God would still remain when I chose to stay. When hope was delayed, when loving felt heavy and words fell away, I stood where answers never came, believed that love would rise again. That was the moment when I chose to stay. There's a place between letting go and learning how to stay, where love becomes a choice, not something swept away. Grace doesn't shout, it waits in time, it mends the heart that breaks in life. When I chose to stay, time slowly revealed what broke inside us, learned how to heal. What stayed through doubt and restless nights became our truth, our quiet fight. I'm standing here because I chose to stay. Some stories live because someone stayed, and this one